Good morning YouTube. I'm really excited because today is the day we're taking this bad boy for an upgrade. What I thought I'll do is first of all give you my first impressions as soon as the upgrade is done, but also some of the most popular questions I've seen online is whether the sound changes from stage 1 to stage 2 and also whether the stage 2 is any louder. So we're going to be doing some before and after plus my first impressions. I'm going to be squeezing it in these videos, so yeah, hit that like button and subscribe and stay tuned. I brought this little gadget with me today, so we're going to be seeing exactly the loudness, how loud the current pipe is, and we're going to be using exactly the same tool tomorrow to compare the after the stage 2, so that way we'll know exactly if it is any louder or not. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Fairly chilly here in the UK, 5 degrees in the morning. However, it seems to be dry, so yeah, we're quite lucky. So we're going to be heading off to see Matt from Matchbook Custom in Stamford. He's going to be doing the upgrade, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. See you on the road. Right, so we are here with Matt from Matchbook Customs. So Matt, for those who are new to Harleys, how many stages are there? Which stage we're doing today? And briefly, what are the benefits?
So I think officially there's around 4 or 5 stages. The first of which being the stage 1 air filter exhaust fueler. Today we're doing the stage 2, which is additional the cam side of things, which can be various durations and whatnot. So the idea of that is to obviously get more air and fuel into the cylinder, give you some more power.
Brilliant, perfect. Shall we have a look at the bike?
Sure. So this is the stock with the stage 1, and then here we have the stage 2 kit, the Screaming Eagle stage 2 kit, this is the torque kit, which is a 447 lift duration. You also have the power kit, which is slightly more, as well as a shed load of other products on the market. However, personally, I think the Screaming Eagle Stage 2 kit is probably the best value for money one. So what we have in the Stage 2 kit is obviously your adjustable push rods. So at some point in this video, we'll be cutting the old push rods out and fitting all this new setup. The cam, which is obviously the main part of the job, and then the gasket kit. And that's the stage 2, simple as that. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, a little bit time consuming, but good, well worth it. Okay, so part of this process is you obviously have to strip the air filter and the exhaust off. And then instead of stripping down the top end of the bike, we use a pair of bolt cutters. Sounds brutal, but we use a pair of bolt cutters and we cut each individual push rod, hence why we have in the packet a bunch of adjustable push rods. So, okay.
hope you can hear me well. This is actually the first time I'm using this microphone setup. So yeah, let's start with the sound. Now, obviously having a before and after, and so you can see that the sound has changed slightly. You guys can judge for yourself. You have a before and after, how the sounds change. It's definitely different, but also one thing has changed indeed, is a little bit louder, not by a lot, but the stage one, it was on idle, was average around, I think it was 99, let's say 100, whilst with the stage 2, from what I saw, it was sitting around 103, 104, so roughly by 4 or 5 decibels louder. How much does that mean to our ears? I have no idea, but I could feel, like being in person, I could feel that it's definitely a little bit louder. Now, the other thing that you can't really tell in that video, but I can tell you straight away, is that whilst you're riding, when you're accelerating, that roar also sounds a little bit different. Sounds, in fact, much nicer, which is amazing. Like I'm so excited. So yeah, huge thanks to Matt from Matchbook Custom. He's based in Stamford, so he did an amazing job. Obviously, if you need any help with anything Harley related, repairs, upgrades, he's your guy. So next thing, how does it feel in terms of, obviously this was a tour cam, how does it feel in terms of responsiveness, in terms of power? That still remains to be tested, to be honest. Obviously I've only ridden this for about 2 minutes, but even now I can see, like, straight away, woo! Yeah, it definitely has more power. So I just need a little bit more time to play with it. So I'm probably going to create another video some stage in the future, but obviously this is kind of like a first impression. So but yeah, I love it. I love it. Oops, sorry, I'm being a little bit naughty here. Yeah, one of the reasons I actually went for the tour cam, because I lived for quite a while in London, and I sort of got used to with the whole filtering. And yeah, it's nice to have more power when you need it, when you overtake someone, or when you do a bit of filtering and you need that, like, literally power. You need that power now. Yeah, it's nice to have that. I know some people might go for the power cam, but for me, and I think in general, it seems that the tour cam feels a bit more popular. But yeah, so far it feels amazing. It's definitely a lot better in general, as in with the stage 1 I would feel that I would have more power to start with, but then I would lose that power over time, the higher the RPMs. But with this one, it feels that it stays with me for a lot longer. So anyway, to summarize everything, I absolutely love it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe. That would really sort of help support my channel. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts about how it sounds. Obviously these things are very subjective. And don't forget to have a look for Matchbook Custom in Stamford. Give them a like as well if you're on Instagram or TikTok. So take care guys, and I will see you in the next video.